One of the most important inorganic molecules is water. Water is essential to life. Without water, life as we know it is impossible. For one thing, living organisms are largely composed of water. Even the driest seeds are more than half water. We are approximately 70% water, while jellyfish are over 90%. Another reason for water's importance is that nutrients and gases must first be dissolved in water in order to be absorbed into the cells. Because water is essential to life, we need to understand more of its unique properties. If we look at the molecular structure of water, one end is positively charged while the other end is negative. Because of this, we say water molecules are polar. You will discuss more about polarity in your chemistry class. Also in water, we observe the strong attraction of the hydrogen atoms which results to hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding and the polar nature of water molecules explain many of its unique properties. Because of their polarity, water molecules on a surface are pulled slightly closer together. This produces a kind of skin or layer on the water's surface. This skin is what we know as surface tension. It is surface tension that causes water droplets to be round or spherical. What is the importance of surface tension? The surface tension of water supports the weight of water striders and other lightweight insects. Water as a liquid has only some of its molecules that are hydrogen bonded. The rest are unattached and move more or less freely in the water. But as a solid or ice, all molecules are hydrogen bonded to neighboring molecules. As the temperature nears the freezing point, the liquid water molecules are pulled closer together, making it more densely packed than the slightly cooler ice molecules. Since ice is less dense than liquid water, ice floats. If ice does not float and sinks to the bottom of the ocean and lakes, what will happen to the aquatic organisms? Can they survive? But since ice floats, the icy surface on lakes and oceans act as an insulator to contain the heat below in order for aquatic animals to survive. In our third learning station, the water streams down the string into the empty cup. When you soak the string in the water adheres to it. Even though water may drip out of it, it is still soaked in there. That is adhesion. Adhesion is the attraction of water molecules to a different object, often due to hydrogen bonding. When you pour water along it, you notice the water clings to other water molecules attached to the string, and you see it form a little stream underneath the string. That is cohesion. Cohesion is the attraction of water molecules to other water molecules, also due to hydrogen bonding. This property is seen in the transport of water from the roots to the other parts of the plant. Adhesion of water molecules to cell walls enable it to climb up the plant resisting gravity. Cohesion keeps the water molecules together. In our fourth station, we tried to see if certain substances dissolve in water. We observed that the salt and sugar easily dissolve, while the wax and pepper did not. The reason behind this lies in the polar nature of water molecules. This allows the water molecule to become attracted to many other different types of molecules, especially molecules that have charges like salt and sugar. Water is called a universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid. Solutions are important to life. Before nutrients can enter the cells of our bodies, the nutrients must be in solution. Similarly, metabolic waste must be in solution before they can be released by the body. Do you remember the last time you went to a beach? During daytime, you usually stay in the water because the sand is hotter compared to the sea. However, at night, you should observe that the sand is cooler compared to the sea. Why is that so? Land absorbs heat better than does water. The sun raises or increases its temperature at a faster rate compared to the water. Similarly, the sand lowers or decreases its temperature at a faster rate compared to the water. The sand is hotter during daytime and cooler in nighttime. Because of this, we say water has a high specific heat due to hydrogen bonding. Specific heat is the amount of heat needed to raise or lower the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. The specific heat of water has an effect on local climates. Compared to coastal regions, regions in the centers of continents experience colder temperatures in winter and warmer temperatures in summer. Along coast, we experience land breeze at night and sea breeze during daytime. Since water requires a larger amount of heat to increase its temperature, it will also take a larger amount of heat to evaporate it. In other words, water has a high heat of vaporization. This is important to terrestrial animals living in warm environments. Evaporation of water is their most common method of keeping cool. When overheated, terrestrial animals do whatever they must to evaporate water and cool themselves. We and many other animals sweat. Dogs do not sweat but release water through panting.